Hello my 3D printer peeps, I'm here with the Bambu Lab H2D. I've also got over there the Bambu Lab H2C. Some of you might be wondering, once you connect all of your AMS to the machine, how does it know which nozzle you want that AMS connected to? While the H2D might be space-age technology, it can't read your mind. We'll need to assign the AMS units to the hot end we want it connected to. Before you start slicing up projects and sending print jobs, you'll need to do that. Let's get it over with. Here on my H2D, I have two AMS2 Pro. As you can see, one has 4 colors and one has 2. AMS-A has 2 colors, AMS-B has 4 colors. Let's check the configuration here on the H2D screen. Touch the filament icon and locate this tool symbol right there. Touch that tool symbol and touch AMS Setup. Touch Manual Mode. Here you can see the assignment for each AMS. AMS-A shows it's connected to the right extruder. AMS-B shows it's connected to the left. In actuality, it's the opposite. AMS-A is actually connected to the left extruder. Assigning these AMS is super easy. Go ahead and touch AMS-B. You'll see it says Join Right. Touch Join Right. And now AMS-B is associated with the right hot end. Join Right was the only option because it was already joined to the left. To move AMS-A, we simply touch that and it offers Join Left, again, because it's already joined to the right. Go ahead and touch Join Left. We now have AMS-A and AMS-B associated with the correct hot ends. Press Confirm, press OK, press Home, and you are ready to go. Should you add an AMS-HT, the process would be the same. Simply touch the AMS-HT and assign it left or right. I'll assign it left. Now I've got my AMS, AMS-HT, and AMS properly assigned. Of course, if your HT was on the right extruder, you would have touched right. Just like that, with a couple of touches of the screen, what once seemed complicated is now taken care of. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.